Okay, so as a PPC agency, we get a lot of questions about how to improve PPC advertising. So I want to focus on one tip today, and that is determining your target cost per lead. This is very important for service-based businesses that primarily get their leads from a phone call or a form submission. When they are doing advertising, it's critical to have a good understanding of how much you are willing to spend on those leads. If you are e-commerce, then you still need to determine a good target cost per acquisition, but service-based businesses need to understand first the target cost per lead, and then secondly, how well they convert a lead into a customer for an end target cost per acquisition. So we've created a calculator that can help you determine a good target cost per lead based on several of your business metrics. One, you can just find it on gemstu.com in the footer, or you can go to gemstu.com/cost per lead calculator. So what you'll do is you'll just scroll down to the bottom here where the calculator is, and the first piece that you'll put in is your average value of a single customer transaction. So let's just say that we are a dentist, a dentist office, and on average a dental patient spends about $300 each time they go to the dentist's office. Dentists usually retain customers for 5 years, having them come back several times. So we're going to say the average number of transactions over the life of the customer is 10. So this would put the average lifetime value of a customer at $3,000. This is the important metric that you need to understand about your business, is what is the average lifetime value of a customer. And then the next thing we need is the approximate percentage of gross revenue that you are willing to spend or that you want to spend on marketing. The SBA puts the average at be somewhere between 6 and 8. Dentists should spend a little bit more. Startups should spend even more. Maybe big businesses spend less. So that can fluctuate. So in this case, we're just going to say 12% of gross revenue is spent on marketing. So in this case, it's then going to output a table, a conversion rate table. So if you convert 1% of your leads into a customer, then you should spend $3.60 per lead. Now, converting 1% of customers for a service-based business would be exceptionally low. Should be well above 10%. For example, if you're a dental office and 3 people call in inquiring about your services and one of them becomes a patient, then your conversion rate is 33%. So it should be much higher, like in that range for service-based businesses. What you would do is you would look at this table and see the 30 to 35%. So in this case, it's suggesting that we should spend between $110 and $126 per lead. This is really important because now I can take that metric, that $126 cost per lead, and plug it into Google's advanced machine learning algorithms and let them do all the heavy lifting to be able to accomplish that. For PPC, it's very important to determine and to utilize your target cost per lead. This is a great calculator to help you determine what a good target cost per lead is based on conversion rates, your marketing spend, and then obviously the lifetime value of your customer. So give it a try. That is our tip for improving your PPC. Thanks.